How's it going, everybody? Got one of these hobby boxes of the brand new 2016 Bowman Baseball. One autograph per box. You guys know the rest. Decided to go with this instead of the jumbo, mainly due to the fact that only the hobby boxes contain the orange autos. So I thought it was worth the risk. Okay, let's take all these packs out. 24 packs, I believe. 10 cards per pack. Yep. Okay. Put that in the background, I guess. Nope, won't stay. Let's do it like that. Nope, won't stay. Alright, so you want to be a tough guy, Bowman box. Alright, fine. Let's zoom in a little bit. Alright, it should be fine. Alright, let's get to ripping. I really like the design this year compared to last year. Not a huge aficionado of the prospects, but yeah, I think I need to zoom in. What do you think? Okay. If I need to zoom out, I will. Mike Trout, good start. Evan Gaddis. Kevin Kramer. Just gonna try and go slow through the first pack or so, just to get an idea. So those are the chromes, and then the rest should be rookies. Just to insert right there. I'm not even reading all the names. Okay, and then in the back they got 2 veterans. Okay, pretty simple collation there. The auto, I'm guessing, will be somewhere in the middle of a pack. Alright, now I can speed things up a lot more. Hopefully I'll speed things up. I'm talking to you, Matt Lorenzo. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Alright. Ichiro. Greinke. Luis Guevara. Domingo Acevedo. There was a recent Yankee prospect that just died, but it was Sandy Acevedo. Pretty crazy there. Let me try and separate the chromes. That's the only thing I really care to separate, to be honest. We're just gonna skim through these. Cool Byron Buxton. Okay. You guys are probably like, I'm going way too slow, and I agree. You guys don't need me to read you every name. Just gonna read off the major ones. Just gotta make sure I get everything in the frame. There's a cool card. I don't know what the hell that is. It's not auto. I got scared that was an auto because it was more towards the back. I don't even know why. Alright. Rodon. There you go, Pico. Carlos Rodon. Gary Sanchez. I'll save that one. I need to zoom out a little more. Freaking. That's a gray. Okay, yeah, there we go. The grays are really noticeable. Last year they weren't whatsoever. Grays I think, are just a short print. Alright. Okay. It's in the frame. Alright. Is that a red? What is that? Uh-oh. A-Rod. I don't know what that is, but it's got me excited. Oh my god. If that's the auto, that's gonna be insane. Let's try and slow roll this. Is it the next card? Okay. What is this? Alright, not. But that's number to 5. Wow. 5 of 5, Austin Dean. That's fucking crazy. Awesome. Let's see if I can get a close-up on the numbering right there. There you go. Austin Dean. Gotta be careful with this. Alright. Austin Dean. Keep that to the side. That is a sweet card. I think that's already worth the hobby box, to be honest with you. What time are we at? Almost 6 minutes. Okay. Jose Abreu. So much base. What is that? Oh, those are like a refractor or some sort. Tyler Stevenson. One of the, I forget what that insert's called. I guess one of the top prospect inserts or whatever that's called. John Gray, Stroman. Okay. Oh, that's Chris Bryant. There you go, Pico. Jorge Soler. Dansby Swanson. That's a good one. Kenta Maeda. That's a good one, too. Alright. Alright, Austin Dean. The red guy. Another Kenta Maeda. Return 2. Alex Bregman and oh, Daz Cameron. It's a pretty neat idea for a card. I think those cards look pretty cool. Ugh. My arms are hurting. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Interesting card. His father was pretty damn awesome. Chris Shaw. Is that a gold? Adam Jones, gold. Paper. I think that's what it's called. Number to 50. 32 of 50. Not bad. Got some pretty nice color. I'm loving it. Last couple cards, nothing. This video is gonna go over 10 minutes. You know, what are you gonna do? Skip ahead if you don't like it. I'm sorry. I'm not the master at cutting these videos down, because I don't like to just flow through the cards so quickly. A Giolito, top prospect thingy. Alex Blandino. Manny Machado. There you go. Ellsbury. I'm not gonna separate all these Yankees, but that is my PC. Big Yankees fan, if you guys don't even know. Jorge Mateo. Look at that. Look at that Yankees pack. Conforto. Jose Bautista. Jorge Mateo. That's a cool one. Interesting one. Carson Fulmer. Tanaka. Jordan Guerrero. I don't know a lot of these guys. Is it Nick Plummer? Something different about this one. Is it just me? I don't know. We'll move that to the side just in case. I don't know. It looks a little different. Still no autograph. Okay, I see something here. Okay, it's just the glass now. There you go, that's like the third one I've gotten to that. How many packs we got left? I don't know, 10 or less? Daz Cameron. Jeff Conine. That's one of those throwbacks. That's pretty cool. There's a little bow to this one. Jeff Conine. Alright, and the rest of that is... No, there's nothing. Alright. Keep it going, keep it going. Biscotti. He's a pretty damn good player. Michael Franco, Jorge Alfaro. There are autos in this stuff, right? I see some color. I don't know about you guys. Brian Hayes? Let's just look at the rest. I don't know what those are numbered to. What are these? Teal to 150. Alright. I'm sorry, Matt Lorenzo. I couldn't make this video faster. I apologize. But I'm just a slow freaking dude. Kenta Maeda refractor. Oof. That is nice. Bet these go for a few bucks. You know, for a refractor, that's not bad. That's pretty good for a refractor. Autos should be coming soon. Dylan Betances. That's a good one. Brendan Rodgers. Steven Matz. Oh, there's Crazy Face Henry Owens. Alright. How many packs we got left? We got 6 packs left. Alright, let's do this. Apologize yet again. It's just really hard to just breeze through it. I don't want to miss anything. There's Bryce Harper, the hottest hitter in the game. Let's try and just breeze. Honestly, if I miss something in there, so be it. I just don't want to breeze through the auto, you know what I mean? There's Syndergaard. Holy cow. He's doing really well right now. Harvey. He's not. James Kepper-Leon. Hopefully in the Yankees' future. Doesn't get traded, hopefully. Who the hell is that? Autos should be coming soon. Yasiel Puig, Brian McCann, Danny Sanchez, Andrew Knapp. Oh, Crazy Face Henry Owens is the auto. What do you know? Not the greatest. It doesn't look that sharp, like mainly in here. So the auto's probably not a 10. But hey, it could be a lot worse for an auto. Is that numbered? No. But it's Crazy Face Henry Owens. There you go. Alright, you can click through these last 3 packs. There's probably nothing in here. So, alright, bye. See you guys later. Nah, there could be something in there. But let's just make sure. Could be a superfractor, you never know. Jacob deGrom, Buster Posey. Scott, you blew it. You blew it, Scott blew it. Yeah, nap. Last pack of the break. And by the way, I'm not doing a hit recap, so if you want to know what I got, you better skim through this video. I'm sorry. This video is long enough. I don't want to make it any longer. So, if you were skimming to the end, hoping I would do a recap, you're out of luck. So, I'm happy with that box. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Peace out.